Hi, James Braithwaite here again. How you doing?
Well, it's just a generic cheesy steak and chips tonight, really. A bit of rump steak that I've got here, with some grated cheddar on top of it. Just waiting for that to melt nicely. And if we look in there, nice cheap corner shop chips and onion rings. Nothing particularly worth writing home about, but there you go. I would have done this last night, but I had less energy than Battersea Power Station, so anyway, here we are. Look at the state of my kitchen. Anyway, no matters. We will sort this out soon. See you soon. Bye.